carbon compounds chapter, a major topic, that is hydrocarbons, which already you have discussed in the 9th standard. What are hydrocarbons? There are various types of carbon compounds you have known. Then carbon compounds which containing only the carbon and hydrogen are the two elements. Means the compounds made up of only these two elements, carbon and hydrogen, are called the hydrocarbons. As you know, carbon single also can make the bonding with the hydrogens. So carbon is tetravalent, so whole its four valencies are if fulfilled by the hydrogen, then this is a compound made up of one carbon and four hydrogen, and you have known this is the CH4, methane is a compound. So the compounds only containing carbon and hydrogen are called the hydrocarbons. Now carbon again shows the property of catenation, means one carbon can attach with the another carbon also. So carbon can attach to one another by the covalent bond, and their remaining valencies, means here both carbons one valence is satisfied. Then their remaining valencies are fulfilled by the hydrogen atoms. So such a compounds we can call that is hydrocarbons. Clear? Getting everyone? So hydrocarbons are the compounds made up of carbon and hydrogen only. Here one only carbon atom have, so no problem. But when the more than one carbon atom have, so carbon atom have to attach by a single bond or double or triple bond. If carbon containing single bond, then such a hydrocarbons are called the saturated hydrocarbons. Are called saturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons containing only carbon single bonding, they are called the saturated hydrocarbons. This is an example of the saturated hydrocarbons. Here one only carbon आहे, also no problem. But here two carbons आहे and कार्बनच्या मध्ये कोणता बॉन्ड आहे, एकच सिंगल बॉन्ड आहे. अशा हायड्रोकार्बन्सला काय म्हणायचं सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन्स, or they can be referred as a series of alkanes, and their names are likewise ethane, propane, butane. For example, two carbon atoms have, so two carbon atom and remaining their valencies are fulfilled by the hydrogen atom. So their formula will become what? Their formula will become C2H6, and this is the compound that is ethane. If there are three carbon atoms, so 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms, and they bonded by a single bond, then the compound made of this is called the propane, and remaining their valencies are fulfilled by the hydrogen atoms. So such hydrocarbons having single bond between carbon atoms are called the saturated hydrocarbons. Then second type of hydrocarbons are unsaturated hydrocarbons. As carbon bonding can be possible, that is carbon and carbon double bond also can be possible. So ह्या कार्बनच्या दोन व्हॅलेन्सी तिथे फुलफिल झाल्या, ह्या पण कार्बनच्या दोन व्हॅलेन्सी तिथे फुलफिल झाल्या, यांना फक्त दोन हायड्रोजन अटॅच करायचे आहे. सो सच हायड्रोकार्बन्स containing double bond are called the alkenes, and these are the examples of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Such hydrocarbons containing more than one bond are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Again, carbon triple bonding also can be possible. कार्बन स्वतःसारख्या दुसऱ्या कार्बन ॲटम सोबत ट्रिपल बॉन्ड सुद्धा बनवू शकतो. मग त्याची व्हॅलेन्स शिल्लक राहिली फक्त एक, सो उरलेली एक व्हॅलेन्सी आपण त्यांची फुलफिल करणार आहोत हायड्रोजन ॲटम्सनी. सच हायड्रोकार्बन्स are also called the unsaturated hydrocarbons, and they are belonging to the series that are alkynes. त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? अल्काइन्स. जसे इथे ENE लावलेलं आहे, इथिन, प्रोपीन, ब्युटीन, लाईकवाईज इथे YNE लावायचं आणि म्हणायचं इथाइन, प्रोपाइन, ब्युटाइन, likewise. Understanding everyone? So these are about the hydrocarbons, and hydrocarbons are of two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated containing carbon single bond, while unsaturated containing carbon double or triple bond. So the saturated hydrocarbons containing single bond between carbon atoms are called alkanes. Then unsaturated hydrocarbons can contain double bond or triple bond between carbon atoms. So if they are containing carbon-carbon double bond, then they are called the alkenes. And if they are containing carbon-carbon triple bond, they are called the alkynes. And then unsaturated hydrocarbons, which are made up of double or triple bonding between carbon-carbon atoms, are more reactive than the saturated hydrocarbons.